Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, a company that put billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin on their balance sheet, has seemingly changed his tune on the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum. This point of view shift that he has had is huge. This clip is amazing. But to remind you of how Michael Saylor used to speak about Ethereum, watch this first clip first.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right. There's no second best. Okay. It's not like Google and Facebook. It's not like Apple and Amazon. Yeah. We can debate Apple or Amazon. What's better? They both look like tech monopolies to me. They both look pretty good. On the other end, Bitcoin or no. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's crypto asset. This entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit, ridiculous, stupid, right? Like it's stupid. It's not 60% dominant. It's like 96% or 95% dominant, right? The thing, if you compare it as a crypto asset to a like kind of proof of work crypto network, right? That's meant to be a store of value. You know, you're lucky if you can scrape together 5% of other stuff in the last bucket. So there is no real competition.
All right. Now watch how his opinion and his rhetoric around Ethereum have changed. By the way, I give Michael Saylor a lot of respect for this.
What about Ethereum? What about this move towards proof of stake that we should see this summer? I mean, are you thinking about diversification? Is there room in the MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy for Ethereum and proof of stake?
Yeah, let's talk about the crypto universe. You've got digital property, and Bitcoin is the highest, most dominant digital property network. Think of it as like granite blocks in Manhattan, in cyber Manhattan. Then you've got digital currency. That's like Tether and stable coins. They want to be money markets in cyberspace. And so they'll be like the CBDC dollars. And then you've got digital applications like Ethereum. Ethereum wants to dematerialize the JP Morgan building and the banking establishment and all of the exchanges. There's a place for all of these things properly understood. And you're going to want to build your buildings on a solid footing of granite. So Bitcoin is meant to last forever, high integrity, very durable. Ethereum is trying to dematerialize exchanges and the finance establishment. I think that as the market starts to understand these things, there's a place for everybody.
Okay, let's talk about this. So Michael Saylor is smart, right? He's obviously a very smart guy. So first of all, whether he chooses to buy Ethereum or not, he understands that Ethereum and plenty of other crypto assets are going mainstream, just like Bitcoin, and they'll continue to be a part of the conversation. He understands that. But I guess the big question is, do you think that this means that Michael Saylor is now going to buy Ethereum? Do you think that Michael Saylor will put Ethereum on MicroStrategy's balance sheet? He wouldn't be the first. I mean, I believe the first is, well, we've already seen this with some publicly traded companies, like the Chinese beauty company Meitu. They have both Bitcoin and Ethereum on their balance sheet. But does this mean that Michael Saylor is now becoming a crypto bull rather than just a Bitcoin bull? It's an interesting question. Now, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. This is an ongoing conversation, so make sure that you subscribe. We drop a video every day. The minute we get more information, we are going to let you know all about it. That being said, let's move on to some other amazing cryptocurrency news. Let's talk about NFTs. Two major stories, including this one video clip. We'll also talk about Bitcoin and other digital assets worth talking about. But let's start right here. First of all, Fox TV, Fox Studios, has launched a $100 million fund for its new NFT studio. So you heard about the NFT studio last month. Well, now they're $100 million stronger. Fox Corporation, the company behind Fox News, is funneling $100 million into a creator fund to expand its emerging NFT business. These are the details. In May, Fox Entertainment first announced the launch of Blockchain Creative Labs, a non-fungible token marketplace of sorts. The media titan said that the marketplace would sell digital goods, including NFTs, that provide exclusive social experiences to engage and reward superfans. Now, with a fresh $100 million, Fox Entertainment and its animation studio, Bento Box Entertainment, are doubling down on these ambitions. So what we're going to see, first, it's going to be a Dan Harmon project, but eventually what we're going to see is every Fox TV show, every Fox movie, every Fox short that has a fan base, they are going to get their own NFTs and own NFT marketplace. So, think about how big Rick and Morty is, how big The Simpsons is, how big Glee is or was. Imagine how many people are going to want those NFTs. So NFTs are still alive and well. And a totally different use case for NFTs, one that I think has a great product market fit. Mavs tickets, the Mavericks, the NBA team, will soon start issuing NFTs as Mavs tickets. Check this out. Mark Cuban explains to Gary Vee.
Is there any logical reason for anyone to issue a ticket to an event, a concert, a sporting event, where there'll almost be no reason to not make every ticket an NFT because it becomes a marketing collateral asset for that issuer, and a little bit here, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 5 years, where there'll almost be no reason to not make every ticket an NFT because it becomes a marketing collateral asset for that issuer, and God forbid Luka drops 100 points in a game in 4 years, it becomes a secondary derivative royalty asset for your team.
But the question isn't will it, it's when. And we'll start doing it this coming season where we'll issue an NFT after you've chosen your ticket on Ticketmaster or whatever. So Gary has seat A3 in section 109. Now we already know that. We use the API, bam, we'll give Gary his NFT, and that comes with all the associated value that we create for it, because there's no limit to the value we can add to it. And then the hard part then is saying, okay, how do we move that closer to the origination of the purchase of the ticket?
That'll take some time.
Yeah, that'll take some time.
Let's talk about Bitcoin. Guys, you have to understand that Bitcoin's fundamentals and Bitcoin's narrative is so strong compared to every other cycle, and still people write it off. So let's go through the history. 2010, nobody uses Bitcoin. Why would I invest in it? 2012, only computer nerds use Bitcoin. Why would I invest in it? 2013, only drug dealers use it. It has failed. 2014, only money launderers use it. It has failed. 2017, only gamblers use it. It has failed. Why would I invest in it? 2019, only a small percentage of the population use it. It has failed. 2020, only small companies use it. 2021, only small countries. So Bitcoin fundamentally and narratively is so much better this cycle compared to every other cycle, and still it is written off. So yeah, I'm still hugely bullish on Bitcoin. And looking at on-chain data, hodler net position change has flipped green to the first time since October. We remember the last time it flipped green. This was a great time to buy. So again, this is what we like to see. Let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase is still listing quality altcoins like Polkadot and altcoins that maybe aren't so quality like SHIB. So, Coinbase, publicly traded company now. Like it or not, this is the state of the cryptocurrency market. And with the SEC saying we're not going to regulate it this year, bullish for cryptocurrency as well. And last piece of news, just to put a date on your radar, June 24th, 2001, mark this on your calendars, EIP 1559 on Ethereum's testnet will go live at this block. So in about a week or two, the testnet gets EIP 1559. When it goes on the mainnet, this is obviously going to be very good for the scarcity of Ethereum. We've talked about it before in other videos. Anyways, curious to hear what you think. Let's have a conversation in the comments below. And again, make sure you subscribe. We drop a video every day. We keep you informed, and it is turning into a great year. See you tomorrow.